Alright, Gord, today I'm doing my review on the Airsoft Double Eagle pistol. And also, so what you get with this is you get the pistol and you get an 8-round magazine. Disclaimer, this does ricochet and it will puncture an eyeball. And don't aim it at people. And how you put the magazine in is, of course, sliding at the bottom, and for the magazine release, press this little button right here, hold that down, magazine. And then the cock, you pull the slide back like a real gun, like that. This safety right here is completely useless, because that can happen. And that's what it looks like with, if it was unloaded like a real gun. So, let's just get the shooting. Now you can see what I mean by ricocheting. See by that. Why am I doing that? And now, that's what it sounds like when you drive fire. And also, there's the Double Eagle symbol right there. So that was my review on the Double Eagle pistol. Thanks for watching.